Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm from UrbanAgents. Today I'm here to visit Lenon, and we're going to have a short chat about his experience in selling and buying his property through me. Hi, Lenon.
Hi, very good morning to you, Michelle.
How's things going for you?
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah, so happy to see you here again.
You're still working from home, right?
Yeah, I'm still working from home, and I really enjoy this kind of setting. This is a new norm. Yeah.
Actually, it's very efficient, where you can actually meet up with people over the Zoom.
Yeah,
and stuff like that.
Exactly. We can still see each other face to face, although it's not just the kind of personal touch. But I think we get to see each other, and then easier in a way. Yeah, we don't have to travel.
Yeah, but I'm happy to see you settle down very well in this temporary place that you have.
Yes.
I mean, the last round where we met up, I managed to help you to sell your apartment.
Yeah. Definitely, I would say it's a step forward. We are moving forward even after we sold our previous place, and then you also help us to look out for this temporary place also. This is necessary during the interim. If not for the decision that we made to find a new place like this, we have to stuck in between because of the circuit breaker.
Yeah, exactly.
We're moving nowhere, and so I must say that we're happily settled down in this place, enjoying whatever we have right now. So we are just waiting for our new place to be ready.
In fact, I remember the time, like last year when Eileen was sharing with me that you all wanted to upgrade to a much bigger place because of your 3 growing children. Then you all want to have like 1 room for each of them. So there's more privacy. So then that's where I have the opportunity to come to your place, to appreciate it, and then, start to market it. And I remember very clearly when I stepped into the house, right, it's very cozy. And that ceiling at the entrance where you have that wooden slabs, I thought it was very tastefully done.
So we're happy with the previous place that we stay. We engage your ID, and then we done out that place as according to our likeness. We stay there for the past 10 years, and it's on this thought that we want to expand our house to cater for our children needs and things like that. That's when we start to get in, like yourself. Initially, when we started marketing the place, we have like yourself and also another property professional to help us. So this is when we get into action with all these things, because like a lot of people, we don't get to buy and sell property many times in our life. So we do not have much prior experience. So we always try to find friends that we know and things like that. Initially, we engaged a friend of ours. We started off with him. We give exclusive to him. Okay, he started off with us, and later on, you come into the picture. I thought it's necessary. Yeah, because I'm not saying that we want to compare, but along the way, I think we really need someone to help us market the place well. Yeah, put herself in our shoe, put our interests first. I think mainly is about the professionalism, the kind of commitment that we need in the agent that we find. It's not just about selling a place, but it's the whole experience that we need to go through. When we given you the exclusive of selling of our property, I think you really give us a very good service.
Thank you.
We really enjoy that. To the extent we feel so comfortable that we entrust the whole place to you even when we travel overseas. And because we know that at the back of our mind, we don't have to worry, concerned about all these things. Everything is in good hand. We like how you market our place, how you do up our place. Even before every viewing, you invest the time, you'll come in here earlier to prepare our place. And along the way, you provide us with a lot of added value, a lot of services also, like financial calculator, walk us through what we're going to do, what we're expecting next, even for our new house. Okay, you have given us a lot of alternative. You have opened up to us a lot of horizon that we can make a very much informed decision in times to come. So we better know what we're going through. And as you go through marketing our place, the thing that we are very delighted is that you always try to overcome all the shortfall of our place. There's no perfect property per se. Yes, and then you'll always be able to overcome this. And then eventually, after a while, we manage to help ourselves the place at the right time, which is very important because that's slightly just before the circuit breaker, because before this pandemic comes in and things. So everything just fall in place, and we are very satisfied, we are very happy. And of course, moving forward, you have helped us also to locate a new place. That itself is very necessary, not only just selling a place, but also to cater for our future needs. Yeah, in fact, I would say even you do have a plan for us. This is something that we really appreciate a lot from you.
I think it's important because as a professional real estate agent, having a listening ear is important, whereby we have to understand what you are looking for, what is your future plan, as well as giving you very concise timeline so that you are not left in the lurch. I mean, it's not just selling your house and that's it, full stop.
Yes.
Yeah, and then I also remember what you mentioned earlier on. Every house definitely has its challenges. In fact, I remember a lot of the prospects who came to view your previous place. Of course, one of the challenges would be, like for example, the bay window, what they can do with it, as well as how to maximize the space. I mean, it's a very good layout. We have a 3-bedroom, we even have the yard, we even have the home shelter and the third toilet. Yes. So the home shelter actually doubles up very well as a storeroom, which a lot of people are doing that, yes. Or even as a helper's room. Yes. Yeah, and I like the fact that, the house is windy. You can shift your entire dining space out to the balcony, and all year round it's always so breezy. Yes. So these are the few things that I think is important, where we can bring out the feel, the storyline to yes. the clients to make them fall in love with your place.
Exactly.
Yeah, correct. So I'm also very thankful that yourself and Eileen put your trust in me, allow me to market your place. I mean, even when you all go overseas, you leave the key to me. It's a huge responsibility. Yes. But I'm happy, to be able to manage it well and find you all a really serious and buyer who can appreciate your place so much.
Yes. I think as much as you thank us for allowing us to give you this opportunity, likewise, it's our pleasure that we can be served by you, and that's very important. It's the whole experience that we go through.
Let's say if for friends or even relatives who may be looking to maybe market their place, or they have any form of wealth creation in the future, would I say that you would still recommend me?
Of course.
Yeah.
Because it is something that we have experienced before.
Sure.
And then we are confident to say that, it's really good. Yeah, and then we, at the back of my mind, I thought it's something that I can share with my friend, share my family member, if it's something that is really good. Thank you again for coming, and thank you again
really my
for
pleasure.
Yeah. Along the way, also I must add this in, is even along the way after you have sold our flat, there are times whereby we have questions on this industry, anything to do with property. We still come back to you, and you're still very happy to share with us with all these things. Yes. And that's really necessary, because this is how we feel that you're not just here to do a deal and then just walk away. Yeah, this is an experience whereby you're always there to help us. Yeah, always there to random advice, give us advice as and when we need it. And in today's context, I think that's really necessary. This is really an awesome experience.
Well, maybe after this, we shall go and catch a good meal together.
Awesome. I've been waiting for that.
Okay, cool. If you're looking to market your property and have some wealth creation plans, and would also like to have the same positive experience as Lenon, do give me a call. I'm Michelle from UrbanAgents. Hear from you soon.